Here's a tutorial of the wedgie to duck under, and special thanks to 2Lit for the request. Enjoy! Before you try the duck under, you'll want to be pretty comfortable with the wedgie. If you aren't already, I have a separate video breaking it down in detail, so please go check that out. Kickstart the wedgie, and on the upswing, make yourself as small as possible so the hoop can clear your entire body. Begin to shrink your body down as soon as you give the push with your leg. Notice I'm tucking my arms in and leaning slightly forward. The key is to give enough momentum during the wedgie so when you duck under, the hoop can travel all the way across your body. If you do this correctly, the hoop will land exactly at the same spot on the opposite side so you can reverse the wedgie. Now here's the move from different angles so you can get a better idea of what it looks like. So can you show me the movement when I asked you what my next tutorial should be on?